This is our important structure zone. We can see the price was moving a continuous bullish structure and now managed to break the latest high. We can also see the pullback happening, retesting the high structure zone. Right now, I see the touch point has been made, and now I'm moving down on a lower time frame to identify the entry from 1-hour time frame. Going down to 15-minute time frame, I am setting my key structure zone. If the price manages to break it and close above the zone, that will be my confirmation. We can see one failure to give a confirmation, and now we have another rejection level. We can see the price failed to successfully close above the rejection level multiple times, and now it formed another structure zone. We can see a candle closure above, but the price still failed to close above the latest rejection that's formed. And with this last candle, we can see a full closure above the rejection levels, also above the latest key zone. So, here we are.